Hey guys, it's Ariba and I am back with another hairstyle for you guys. So today I wanted to do a very easy, simple, quarantine inspired look for you guys. They're very quick, very easy, so you don't have to worry about like getting completely dolled up when you're like quarantined at home, but it does help you look like kind of somewhat decent for your Zoom meetings or your significant other on FaceTime. So we're gonna start with one that's very, very simple, very easy. You're basically gonna start with your hair kind of split down the center all the way back, and you're gonna create two sections that are kind of roughly the same size. And then you're gonna start by just taking out a few pieces around your hair that you want kind of just out. And you're gonna take the rest of your hair and you're gonna create this ponytail kind of right at the base, right under your ear, and you want it to be flat against your neck, okay? And you're just gonna tie your hair. So now that your hair is tied, you're gonna just hold it very tight at the base, and you're going to just fluff up a few pieces right at the base, okay? So you're not gonna pull from up here, okay? Or even in the center, you're gonna pull closest to the ponytail. You see how it creates like this kind of round, softed shape, and then you're just gonna pull this down a little and just kind of loosen it up, and it looks really nice and effortless and like super cute, okay? And now we're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. Just take out a few pieces. Nice and quick. Okay, and then you're just gonna hold it down at the base and you're just gonna start fluffing it up a little bit. And then just kind of pull it down a little, loosen it up, and that's it. This is your first hairstyle. So the next hairstyle we're going to do is a half up top knot. This is a very easy, quick go-to for me because it takes just a couple of seconds, and I usually get it done before the phone's even done ringing. So all you have to do is go at the arch of your eyebrow and just create a section on the top of your head, okay? And you want to create this section kind of roughly to your crown. Okay, so now that you have your half up ponytail, you're going to now roll this into a bun. You're basically just going to quickly twist it. And after you twist it, you're going to just fan it out. Okay, and now once it's fanned out, we're going to twist it forward to create our bun. And that is it. Go in. Grab the hair and pin it in at the base, one on each side, and that's usually more than enough. So this one's one of my favorites because it's like so quick, so easy. It's like casual and cute, and it just takes a couple of minutes to do. All right, so this next hairstyle I'm gonna show you, this one is really good for like your Zoom meetings, your more professional meetings that you have at home, where you really have to look kind of like put together-ish. It's really fast, very, very easy, very simple. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take out a few pieces around our hair, and we're just gonna take the rest of our hair and we're just gonna toss it up on the top of our head. So the hardest part about about a bun is basically just making sure that like the bottom and the back is smooth. So just take your time in just kind of brushing everything up. All right, so now that you have a ponytail, you can just kind of take out a few pieces around your face and just make it look nice and natural. My idea for these hairstyles is that you can just put it together very quickly without using any products, okay? So we're gonna very quickly just kind of tie it up into a ponytail. Okay, so there is your ponytail, okay? So now you're basically just gonna twist it. So we're gonna twist, 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 okay? And as you're twisting it, you're basically gonna pin it down. Put the pin in at the base and slide it in, okay? And then you're gonna continue. So now you have like this nice kind of clean hairstyle put together. If you have like a meeting or you have to talk to somebody like kind of really important and you don't want to look like a complete bum, even though you've been sitting in bed for the past 3 weeks just eating, this looks like you haven't been doing that. All right guys, so that is it for my quarantine inspired hairstyles. I really hope you guys are able to recreate these from the comfort of your bed if you have an unexpected FaceTime call or a Zoom meeting that you slept in on. If you guys want to see more tutorials that are easy to recreate, kind of back to basics like this, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.